It's day 8. Have you ever wondered why pain exists? Why we go through heartbreak, failure, loneliness, and lose? Sometimes it feels unfair, right? We ask ourselves, why me? But maybe the question should not be, why me? Maybe it should be, what is this pain trying to teach me? Because pain, as hard as it feels, often become the most powerful teachers of your life. Today, let's talk about something deep, something real, turning pain into purpose. No one escapes pain. Everyone you meet is fighting a silent battle. A smile face may hide 1,000 tears. A confident voice may hide a broken heart. But hear the truth. What breaks you can also build you. Every painful experience is like a fire. It burns, but it also purifies. It destroys weakness and reveals strength. Pain doesn't come to stop you, it comes to shape you. There was once a young woman named Maya. She had dream, big dream. But one day her world fell apart. She lost her job, her relationship ended, and she felt completely lost. She cried every night, asking, why is this happening to me? But slowly, something changed. She started painting again, something she loved as a child. Her pain turned into art. Her sadness turned into strength. Years later, she became a well known artist. And she said something beautiful. If life didn't break me then, I would never have found my purpose. That's what pain does. It breaks you open. So, something greater can grow inside. When everything goes right, you don't learn much about yourself. But when life tests you, you discover your real strength. You learn who truly care. You learn how patient, kind, and brave you can be. Pain strips away the fake and leave behind the trust. That's why strong people are not those who never cried. They are ones who cried and still kept going. Most people try to escape pain. They distract themselves, hide their emotion, or pretend everything fine. But the more you run from pain, the more it follows you. Instead, try listening to it. Ask yourself, what is this teaching me? Where is this leading me? Maybe it's teaching patience. Maybe it's showing you your real priorities. Maybe it's pushing you to better path. Pain is not your enemy. It's your compass. It points you toward change. Think about how a seed grows into a tree. It had a break before it can sprout. It pushes through the dark soil before it reaches sunlight. That's what your pain is doing. It's breaking your old self so your new self can rise. Growth is not comfortable, but it's beautiful. The moment you decide not to be a victim, your story changes. Instead of asking why me, ask what now? What can I do with this experience? How can I help others who are going through the same thing? Many of the world's most inspiring people turn in their pain into their life mission. You need to turn your scare into stories, your pain into purpose. Let's be honest, healing is not quick. It takes time, patience, and self kindness. Some days you will feel strong, some days you will feel fall again. And that's okay. Healing is not about forgetting the pain, it's about remembering it without breaking again. Be gentle with yourself. You are not weak for feeling, you are a human. Sometimes pain is life way to redirecting you. Maybe you lost something but gain peace. Maybe you failed but found your real passion. Maybe you were rejected but saved from the wrong path. Life doesn't punish, it teaches. You may not understand the reason now, but one day you will look back and say, it had to happen to make me who I am. Once you heal, help others. Because people who have no pain deeply have the power to heal deeply. You understand things other don't. You know how it's feel to fall, so you can help someone rise. Your story can be someone's survival guide. Your word can be someone's hope. Never hide your scares. They are proof that you fought and won. Pain will visit everyone, but suffering is optional. You can let pain destroy you or let it design you. You can let it close your heart or open it wider. So, when life hurt, don't curse it, learn from it. Don't escape it, embrace it. Because your pain has a purpose. And when you rise from it, you will not only heal yourself, you will light the way for others. You don't find strength in comfort. You find it in the moment that break you, but don't stop you. So stand tall, even with tear in your eyes. Smile, even when your heart is healing. Because one day the pain will make sense and you will thank life for it.